Hello students, let us take a look at the 7th question of exercise 13.6, chapter 13. So here we are talking about a lead pencil which consists of, at the exterior, a cylinder of wood and at the interior a graphite rod. So there's nothing very spectacular about this pencil. It's just like a normal pencil that you see when you especially when you're shaving it, we are using a sharpener. What you see is that outside you have wood and towards the nib there is lead, right? It's the same thing. And the length of this pencil is 14 centimeters. Now the diameter of the pencil D1 is 7 millimeters and diameter of the graphite D2 is 1 millimeters. I have just given D1 and D2 the naming convention for our convenience. We need to find the volume of the wood and volume of graphite. So let us understand the structure of the pencil. So drawing our pencil, we are not very rich. We are going to take a very simple pencil that doesn't have an eraser at the top. So this exterior region, see this region inside is the lead or the graphite rod, and the outside, see this entire portion is lead, whereas this portion and this portion is what? The wood, right? So now we need to find the volume of this lead and the volume of the wood that is there. So finding the volume of the lead is very simple. We've been given the height. What is this height? It's 14 centimeters. So the height is going to be consistent for the wood as well as the lead. However, the radii are varying. Here the radius is, for the graphite rod, it is 1 millimeters divided by 2, whereas for the pencil, see this is the diameter of the pencil. So I will have to draw the base for you. So when you look at the base of the pencil, it's going to be in the form of a circle. So this portion is your lead and this portion is your wood, right? The unshaded region is your wood. So we will have to subtract this radius from here, and then see, if suppose this entire length, see this entire diameter is 7 millimeters. This entire region is 1 millimeter. So 7 minus 1 is going to be how much? 6 millimeters. So this region plus this region is 6 millimeters, but we need to take the half of it, right, which is going to be 3 millimeters. So that will help us find the volume of the wood. So let's go ahead and solve this question. I'm leaving this drawing as it is for now. So I think it's we are going to convert the millimeters into centimeters first, using the formula that 1 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Then we are going to find the volume of the graphite rod and then the wooden part. So we have 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Therefore, 1 millimeter is going to be 1 upon 10 centimeters, right, just by using unitary method. So now diameter 1 is equal to 7 millimeters. This is given, so it is going to be 7 upon 10 centimeters. And diameter 2 is 1 millimeter, which is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeters, right? But we need to find the radii. So radius 1 is going to be equal to diameter 1 upon 2, which is 7 upon 10 into 2, so I'm just going to leave it as it is, 7 upon 10 into 2 centimeters. This is your radius 1. That is going to be the external radius from this region to this region, right? And radius 2 is going to be equal to diameter 2 upon 2, which is 1 upon 10 into 2 centimeters. So now we have the height as well as the radii in terms of centimeters. We can quickly go ahead and find the volumes. So let's first find the volume of the graphite rod. So I'll say volume of graphite rod. It's going to be in the shape of a cylinder, right? This is going to be equal to pi r square h. So which r are we going to take? We are going to take r2 because that is the radius of the graphite rod. Never miss out to mention the numbering, especially when you need to find two things at the same time. So this is r2 square h. This is going to be 22 upon 7 into r2. So r2 is 1 upon 10 into 2 the whole square into h, which is 14. Everything is in centimeters. So let's open the bracket. 22 upon 7 into 1 upon 10 into 10 into 2 into 2, because I have squared this entire region, this entire bracket, that is why I am getting 10 into 10 into 2 into 2 into 14. So let's check. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, then I have 2 ones are 2, 2 11s are 22. So finally what am I left with? 11 upon 100, which is nothing but 0.11. Why 0.11 centimeter cubes? Because we have 2 zeros in the denominator, so shifting towards the left in the numerator by 2 decimal places to get rid of these 2 zeros. So this is the volume of the graphite rod. Let's mark this as 1. So once again, this was the external region and this is the internal region. We have found the volume of this internal region until the top, from the base to the top, right? So if this was your pencil like this, we have found the volume until the top. Now we need to find the volume of this region. That is going to be the volume of the entire pencil minus the volume of graphite rod. So let's find the volume of the entire pencil. So I'll say volume of pencil is going to be equal to pi r1 square h. So r1 is the radius of the entire pencil. This is your pencil, this is the center, this is the graphite rod, this is the center, this is the entire radius for the pencil, the base of the pencil. So this is going to be 22 upon 7 into r1 square. So this is going to be 7 upon 10 into 2, the whole square into 14. So this is equal to 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7 upon 10 into 10 into 2 into 2 into 14. So 7 ones are 7 ones are, 2 ones are 2 sevens are, 2 ones are 2 11s are. So this is 7 sevens are 49, 49 into 11. 49 into 11 upon 100. So 49 into 11, let's calculate it quickly. It can be written as 49 into 10 plus 1. So this is going to be 490 plus 49. So 935, 539 upon 100. Shifting towards the left by 2 decimal places, we get 5.39 centimeters square. This is the volume of the entire pencil. Let's mark this as 2. So what is the length of the wooden region going to be? The volume of the wooden region is going to be 2 minus 1. That is the volume of the entire pencil minus the volume of the graphite rod. So I'll say volume of wooden region. Let's mark this as volume 1 and let's mark this as volume 2 is going to be equal to V1 minus V2, and I will say from 1 and 2. So this is going to be 5.39 minus 0.11. This is centimeter cubes. So 5.28 centimeter cubes. Let's mark this as V3 and this equation as 3. So V2 and V3 are the solution to your question. Let's write down the answer here itself. Volume of the wood is equal to 5.28 centimeter cubes, whereas volume of the graphite rod is 0.11 centimeter cubes. So I'm just placing these answers into a box for your reference. Please take a look at the solution. Thank you for watching this video.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.